Hi, my name is Dylan Beck. Today we are going to talk about Linux permissioning and the program chmod. The motivation for this video is that viewers come away with an understanding of how permissioning works. The purpose of the demo is to showcase how the tool chmod works and show how it can be used to change a file's permission status. This video is intended for anyone who works on a Linux-style terminal. It is particularly valuable for individuals who work on a shared network or a device that has multiple users. Here, I have two terminals open for two separate users, DL Beck and Alice. By running the command ls-l on a file, we can see permissioning information. The three components of this are who can read a file, who can write to a file, and who can execute it if it's a program. This is also divided into what different types of users can do. So the first three characters represent what the owner can do, the next three what people in the file's group can do, and finally, the last three are what everyone else can do. If we try to run the program, DL Beck is able to execute it because he is an owner and has the execute bit set. However, Alice, who is not an owner or in the group, is unable to run the program. If we want Alice to be able to run the program, we can use chmod to change the permissions. Before we do this, we should understand how to read the permission characters as three separate binary numbers. First, if we look at the owner's bits, they can read, write, and execute, which is 111 or 7 in binary. The same is true for the group bits, 111 or 7. Finally, everyone else can read, write, but not execute, or 110, which is 6 in binary. The current permission is 776. If we want to set it to a configuration where Alice can execute it, we have to change this last bit to be a 1. We can do this with the configuration 777, which we can run with the chmod command and the file that we'd like to change. Now that we've changed it, Alice is able to run the program. Now that we understand chmod, let's look at an example where it may be useful. This directory has some files that contain my email and others that do not. If I don't want other users to have access to my email, I can use a grep command combined with chmod to find all files that contain my email and change the permission to not be readable by non-owners. This lets me limit access to a large number of files without having to manually determine if it contains my email. This concludes my demo of Linux permissioning and chmod. Even though chmod is a simple tool, there are many cool features and uses for it that I didn't have time to discuss in this video. I encourage you to mess around with it and see what else it is capable of. I hope this was valuable. Thanks for watching.